guys, Howzit? I know a bit of a different environment. Any of you guys have been long-time subscribers, kind of a normal environment. I started out doing these videos from my car, so you guys can remember that. But yeah, tonight, Major League Cricket action, my first time at a taste of professional T20 level cricket here in the US, as Faf du Plessis, Devon Conway will be taking on with the Texas Super Kings taking on the Seattle Orcas with Quinton de Kock, having a very good season, as well as Clausen, Heinrich Clausen there, another South African name for any of my Safa followers. Tickets have been secured, headed to the stadium now. Used to be called Airhawk Park, Quick Trip Park. It was a minor league baseball stadium for many years with a pool in the outfield, yes, a swimming pool. I guess it was a fire stopping device for old Zuma there, whenever he put the pools into his house on the dime of the South African taxpayer. But yeah, hopefully get some good footage, and you will get to possibly meet my colleague Nick. He is an Englishman who lived in Spain for quite a while, so he's an Englishman that speaks Spanish, funny enough. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy what you see. Cheers, guys.